The space behind me is what we call our dinette. It can also be called a breakfast nook, maybe an eat-in kitchen. Either way, it's the space off our kitchen that we eat. And over the last year, I've been working on little projects, pulling it together, making it feel a little more homey, but there's still work to be done. As you can see, it's January. There's a Christmas tree. There's Christmas packages. That all needs to be cleaned up before I can show you the projects that I have been working on and then finally pull it together. I'm on it and I'm gonna get to work. Thanks to help from Ralph, the furniture's all back in its place and I can show you the projects that have been done and the ones that still need to be done. I made this wall art by upcycling thrifted picture frames. To see that project, I'll leave a link in the description. I picked up new dishes, which means cleaning and reorganizing these cupboards. Now I'm at the point where I have my wall art up, I have my dishes all organized, and I have 2 of the 3 white accent pieces. But I did go thrifting and I got this nice tall vase. It is clear, so that means I have to do some spray painting, but this was $8 and I think I may have had a coupon, like a 15% off coupon. So with the spray paint under $10, I'll have my 3rd piece. And I get to spray paint. This marketplace bench is pretty deep, which is great for relaxing, having a cup of coffee, a little chat. But when I'm having dinner, I feel like I'm a bit far from the table and I don't want to pull the table closer because then it's hard to get in. So I hit up HomeSense and found a couple pillows, like these lumbar pillows, and they're a nice deep gray velvet. Just, I don't know, they kind of go with the vibe that I've got going on here. So I'm gonna take off the tags and put them out. Oh, and they're nice, they're like feather filled, like down filled, so they're like nice and dense. So let's put these out. They're like a perfect fit. It's like they're made for this. So good. Now this isn't so much a project, but it's something that I love so much that I just felt I had to share. I don't usually use a tablecloth on this particular table, but every now and then, like if we're hosting a party and I want to put the charcuterie out, or I'm doing something I just want to protect the table, I would like a tablecloth. So I went on a bit of a hunt. That did feel like a project, trying to find something. And I have like 3 different options, but this one is so good. It's from Temu, and it's just like a big bed sheet. It's like stretchy, has elastic, like a fitted bed sheet. You pull it over and it just pops on. It fits taut. This has been washed. It washes great. It wears great. And it's just so easy and it just stays put. I love this so much. I had to share it. And I will leave a link in the description below along with my affiliate code. I do sometimes get a percentage if you use the affiliate code, but you don't have to. It's not sponsored. I'm just letting you know that. And I like it so much. I'm hoping they have like maybe a darker gray, a black, maybe a white. I don't know, but I am ordering more. These are so, so good. And now the space is finally pulled together. I actually now have a bit more of a cohesive feel in the dinette. And this was the first project of 2026. So if you enjoyed it, hit that subscribe button if you already haven't to help us grow our channel. Well, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon with another project. Bye! So I'm at the point where I have wallpaper. Gosh. So I'm at the point where I have wallpaper. Oh, there's a squirrel in the tree. That took so many takes. Did I even volume? I did have volume. Okay, good. Oh, I got new mics for Christmas. They're itty bitty tiny baby ones, and they're super cute. But let me know, like, does the audio sound any different? Is it good? But I hope so, because they're so cute, and they have like little magnets, and you just stick them on your clothes. So convenient. And they're just like itty bitty babies. Yeah. And I realized, I think during the intro, that I had the mic on upside down. Still learning.